Okay guys, what's up? It's Ryan with the MX Guru and AOMC channel here, and I wanted to clear up a little confusion. I think I've mentioned in some of my videos that I was prepping bikes and unlocking them. Some people thought I was saying locking, and some people just aren't aware, so I'm going to clear it up. All the KTM group motorcycles that are fuel injected come from the factory in a locked state. And this means that they will not start. The ECUs are locked. They cannot be if they're stolen, they cannot be started. So when we get the bike at the dealer, we have to hook up the battery, prep it, get it all ready, and then we have a KTM tool. It is a tablet, and it connects to the bike. There is a diagnostic connector here. It connects to the bike, communicates with the bike, and the dealer can do a temporary unlock to start the bike and make sure it runs. And if you do a temporary unlock, it'll run for about an hour, and then it goes back into lock mode. When a customer purchases the bike is when we do a permanent unlock, and that's how that works. So a lot of people just aren't aware of this, and this is only on the fuel injected. So this is all the 4 strokes and the TPI 2 strokes. So yeah, hope that clears it up for you guys, and enjoy your KTM group motorcycles.